I'm going to talk about JEE and NEET exam issues. The first, we want to know about this coronavirus detail, and we want to go to this issue. First, the India is a hotspot country for this in the world. The coronavirus is spreading a lot. 2.9 million people are affected, and third rank is given for this infected most in the world. In the first place is gone to this USA, Brazil, India, and Russia and Africa, South Africa. On September month, the NEET and JEE going to be conducted. In the 13th, the NEET is going to be conducted. In JEE means 1 to 6 September going to be conducted. The problem is the 16 lakhs candidate is participating, and in the NEET, and 9 lakh candidate is participating in JEE. It is a problem because the government is issued, and WHO is issued quarantine is needed for all the countries. If you are saying that the health checkup is going to conduct, and the health certificate is needed for this entrance exam, and testing is going to conduct, and suppression isolation is going to conduct, it is not be able to manage all this all throughout the state and country, because it is a pressurable situation is going on because of its coronavirus. If you're not believing this, I will tell a real time example. The Karnataka is conducted COMDEX and UGT is 2020 is conducted. So for this UG engineering entrance exam, but the problem is the 57 is that is gone, and the 5,371 students are infected with this coronavirus, and 80,656 are quarantined this in the situation. The JEE and NEET is a competitive exam in the India, but we should have a control, and we should do this. We should postpone this exam, and if we not, I will tell another reason. The almost we want to grow in the situation of shoulder to shoulder. It will be happen, and invention will be happen. We should speak and to invigilator and go to exam hall. It is a danger situation to candidates. The another reason is the students are not ready is for this exam, because the recently the suicide is happened this corona this in this of shock, because is recently and shocking update. The mental health is important, and many single parents are yearning for this can be affected by, and maybe a danger situation for this family, and asthma patient is going to this coronavirus situation in the exam. The main purpose is going to be cracked, and maybe if they will be infected in the coronavirus by the coronavirus. Whether you are it is worth right to write a go to an exam, if you are worth to compare with your life. If yes, you want to go ahead and write exam. If not, the share to all the social media, and we should have got justice for this NEET and JE exam postponed. If you're thinking that social media can be not useful for these issues, take the Sushant Singh Rajput case. The CAB inquiries is going on because of this pandemic situation. The all are considered in the coronavirus, but the social media and ourselves is motivated, and the police is transferred into this CBI officers over, so that it is belongs to this social media network. We should aware of this. And thank you. Some people are going to the road and protesting this NEET and against NEET and JE. It is a wrong way, because we are protest is due to this coronavirus. It will be increase the count, so that please live in the home and protest in the social medias. Thank you.